Jay Gurudev. So what is the session we are going to have? Who can just chat me? We have now what session? Is it drawing? Is it maths? Wow, Sai Lakshmi, good. It's English. Yes, Ojasvi, very good. So today we are having English session and we are going to have grammar. And I know all are good in that. Right? Yes, everybody are ready? Yes. Today what? Everybody knows ABCD, no? All know ABCD? We are going to start from the beginning. Alphabetical order. We have some rules for that. Yes? So alphabets. Good alphabet. How many alphabets do we have? How many alphabets do we have? Yes, Ojishwi, good. Yes, Sadhana, you're writing so fast. Good. Everybody is 26. Yes. And you know, we have a rule for it. Right? And can anyone tell me what's the vowels? What are the vowels? What are vowels and what are consonants? Yes, very good. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels and rest 21 are the consonants. Good. Very good. Super. So, we are going to have an alphabetical order rules. Okay, so when we are asking you, we will have some worksheets. Okay, so in that we will be asking you to arrange your words in alphabetical order. Yes, I think you have done in first standard also. We have done it. Okay, we have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. So for that, what we are going to do? What we are going to do? So first rule is when word starts with different letters. Okay, when word starts with different letters, use the first letter of each word to put the words in A, B, C order. Okay, when the word starts with different letters. For example, is there, okay, buddy, friend and pal. So the first alphabet of the word is what? First letter. First letter is B, F and P. Right? So the rule is when the first word starts with different letters. Okay, first letter is B, F and P of three words. Use the first letter of each word to put the words in A, B, C order. So for C, buddy, friend and pal. So first letter is what? First letter of all the words is B, then F, then P. We have arranged it in alphabetical order. Okay, first alphabet comes for B, no? B, A, B, then C, D, E, F, then come F, friend. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Then comes P, P for pal. Okay, so we have arranged it in alphabetical order. So we have to check for the first letter, then we will arrange in A, B, C order. Like first come A, then comes B. Yes. So there are so many words which doesn't start with, we start with all same alphabets, like letters. Okay, same letters in the first. This is different, no? So what are the second rule? So when the first letter is different, we will put them in ABC order. If three of the words, the letter of words are same, see, when the word starts with the same first letter, use the next letter that is different in each word to put the words in ABC order. For example, soggy, spoiled, stoop. See, the first letter is S, S, S. In that time, what you are going to do? How you are going to write the words in alphabetical order? We have to go for the second letter. Okay, we have to go for the second letter. If the first letter of three of the words are same, the first letter is same, we have to go for the second letter. Okay. So what comes? So, soggy na O. then comes P, then comes T. So we have arranged them in alphabetical order, A, B, C order. SOGGY, soggy, spoil, stoop. So first rule is that if three of the letters are different, we can put them in alphabetical order. For example, buddy, friend and pal. But if the word starting is same, okay, if the word starts with the same letter, what we have to do? What we have to do? We have to go for the second, what? Second letter, right? Okay, so we have to go for the second letter. So soggy, spoil, and stew. So in this way, we are going to do some activity. So who is going to tell me? A, B, C, D. We have written A to Z. Okay. So we have to put them in A, B, C order. Okay. So first one. This is an example. First one. Mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse, cat, and pig. Mouse, cat, and pig. So how we have to do? We have to see the first letter of three of the words. Mouse, cat, and pig. So here first what will come? Yes, who is going to answer me? First what will come? C will come. No. So C for cat. So we have written cat. Then come what? M. Yes, A, B, C, D. We have written A to Z. You can see from that. Then what comes? After C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. P. P for pig. After cat, we can write pig. P-I-G. Pig. No, I'm sorry. I did it wrong. Sorry. First comes cat, then comes mouse. I'm so sorry. M will come first, no? A, B, C, D, E, F, R. M will come. Then comes pig. Yes. Somebody has written right. Very good. Yes, it's my mistake. So first comes mouse, first comes cat, then comes mouse, then comes pig. Yes? Yes. Okay. So if this first letter is same, for a second letter, we'll go for the second letter. See, C, spring, snow. C, spring, snow. So the first alphabet is S, S, S. Letter is S, S, S. So the rule, according to the rule, we have to go for the second alphabet, right? So what comes first? Yes, very good, Kishore. Good. First comes C, because A, B, C, D, E. E comes first. No? Yes, S-E-A, C. Good. Then what comes? Then comes N, right? Then comes N, S-N-O-W, snow. Good. Very good. All are writing nicely. Very good. So first comes C, then comes snow. Then comes what? P, spring. S-P-R-I-G, spring. Yes. So here we have seen for the first letter, then second letter. Okay. Then if first letter and second letter both are same, then what we have to do? We have to go for the third letter to arrange in A, B, C order. See, band, bag, basketball. So the first letter is same, the second letter is also same. So in this case, we will go for the third letter. Yes. So B-A-G, bag. Very good. Then what? After G, N will come. B-A-N-D, band. Yes. And then third one will be basketball. B-A-S. So G-N, then S. Basketball. Yes? Yes. Okay. Good. All are answering so nicely. Good. Then we will go for the activity. Who is going to tell me the answers? First one. Same thing we have to do. If the first letter is the same, we have to go for the second letter. Yes. So first one is owl, oat, one. Owl, oat, and one. So what will come first? What will come first? First will come oat. Very good. Then what will the second one? Oat. Second one is one. Good. Very good. Then comes owl. Yes, very good. Very nice. So we know how to write it, right? First comes oat, one, then owl. Okay, who is going to tell me the second one? Pen, pan, pin. So first comes pan. Very good. Pan. A. P-A-N. Pan. Okay. Second. P-E-N. Pen. Good. Third one. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. Good. Good. Very good. The third one. Rat. Rot. Root. Rut. Okay, dear. So first come words. What come first? Rat. Yes. Then what comes second? Second is rot. Then yes, rut. R-U-T. Good. R-U-T, rat, rot, rut. Then comes second, third, fourth one. Set, sit, sat. Sat. Yes, first sat, sit. Sorry, sat, set, sit. Yes. First comes sat, S-A-T, sat. Then S-E-T, sit. Comes S-I-T, sit. No, Mithun. First comes sat, S-A-T, sat. Then comes S-E-T, set. Then sit. Yes, good. Then fifth one, tub, tab, top. Sadhana, good. Nandana also. Good, good, good. Very good. Yes. First comes Mithun, good. Tab. Yes. Tab. Then comes what? Top. Then tub. Yes. Tap, top, tub. Good. Very nice. Then next, wax, win, bone. Then wow. Yes, wax, win, bone. Good. Very good. Kishore, Rojeshvi, everyone writing very fast. Very good. Good. Nice. So all are answering. Then you, yes, yak. Yak, yes, you. Yes, very good. Yak, yes, you. Very good, very good. Okay, then comes next one. Art, art and eight. Art and eight. Yes, that is the answer. Art comes first, then comes and then eight. Yes. Next one. Box, but, bit. Go for box. Box, but, bit. Mithun, good. Bit, box, but. Harshita, good. Savicharan, good, good. Ryan. Sanitra. Viveshnavi. Good, 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 good. Very good, dear. So all are writing very nicely, no? Good. Then we'll go for the next one. Okay. Then comes what? Cap. Then comes skirt, fob, cap. 10th one. Yes, no answer? So what comes first? Yes, Harshita, good. Cap, fob, cut. Good. Mithun, good. Harshita, very good. Then comes 11th one. 11th one. Then did dawn. Yes. Yes, the answer is there. Then did dawn. Good, good. Then the last one. Fry, fly, fog. Fry, fly, fog. Yes, Meenakshi. Good. Tanashri. Yes. What will come? Yes. Very good, Rayan. Mahavidya. Sai Lakshmi. Nandana. Good, good, good. Everyone very good who all are writing and I'm missing it. Good, very good. Fly, fog, fry. Fly, fog, fry. Good. Everyone done excellently. Very good. Very nice. So this is the way we have to go for alphabetical order or A, B, C manner. Okay. So now we are going to learn something different. It will be more interesting. Okay. So Nachi ma'am is going to teach you a new interesting subject.
Yes, thank you, Ranjana ma'am. Yes, children, sit tight, everyone. Sit tight. So, what you have done before? You have done. You have arranged the words in alphabetical order. Yes. Okay. So now we are going to see a new topic today. What is that? You know? See what is that? See my screen, everyone. I want everyone to listen. See, ma'am, what is it? What is on the screen? Homophones. Homophones. Have you ever heard about this word before? Homophones? Hmm? Say yes or no in the chat box. How many of you know about this? Homophones? No. Okay. Ma'am will tell you, okay? Yes, you are going to learn a new topic, isn't it? So sit right, listen carefully. Okay, children? Yes. So homo. Homo. Now split this word into two, okay? Now you could understand. Homo. Homo means, you know? Does anyone know? Homo? Homo means same. What does it mean? Same. Homo means same. And phones means what? Phones means any guess? Was not clear.
Clear, ma'am.
Clear, okay. Okay, ma'am. Yes. So homo means same. Phones means sound. Sound. Okay. So what does it mean? Connect these two words. Sound. Same sounds. Okay. So we are going to see few words that have same sound but different spelling. We'll see, okay, different spelling and different meaning. Okay, see this example. S-O-N. What is that? How do you pronounce this word? S-O-N is? I want all my children to open your mouth and say without unmuting. S-O-N is? S-O-N is? Sun. Isn't it? Yes, we'll see the next word. S-U-N. How do we say this word? S-U-N. Sun. Yes. See, spellings are different, isn't it? Here S-O-N is sun. We also say S-U-N also sun, right? We have same sound, isn't it? But see the spelling S-O-N and S-U-N. And we have different meaning also, isn't it? S-O-N means what? What S-O-N means? A boy child, right? A boy child, we call it as son, S-O-N. And S-U-N means? Let me know in the chat box what is S-U-N, son. What is the meaning for that? Yes. Yes, which gives light, isn't it? We'll see sun on the sky, isn't it? So sun, see, a nice example, isn't it? S-Y-N is sun, and S-U-N is also sun. So these are the homophones. We call these words as homophones. What we call? What we call? Say everyone loudly. Homophones. Homophones, okay? So we are going to see a few more examples on this, okay? So you could understand better. So what is homophone? Homophone means homophones are the words which have same sound, but have different spelling and meaning, like S-O-N and S-U-N. Okay, and see one more example. Sale, sale, sale. S-A-L-E. Where you see this word? S-A-L-E. Where you see this word, children? S-A-L-E. Let me know in the chat box where you say this word. See this word. Sale. S-A-L-E. What? In the shops and all you would see, right? So you can purchase that. If this word is given on the dress, yes, it will say you can purchase that dress, isn't it? And see the next one, S-A-I-L. We say this word also, sale, sale, right? But the spellings are different, isn't it? Did you notice, everyone? S-A-L-E is also sale. S-A-I-L is also sale, right? Both sounds the same, but have different meanings. See, S-A-I-L, what does it mean? Let me know in the chat box. S-A-I-L, what does it mean? Where you use this word? See the picture itself, you can find out. Yes, if you sail on the water, isn't it? If you sail on water by boat, isn't it? Yes. So that's the difference between sail and sail. Both have different meaning but have same sound. What is the first pair of words we learn? Sun, sun, isn't it? And see the next pair? Sail, sail. Both sounds the same but have different meaning, right? And we are going to see few more words on this. Yes? Shall we see? Sit tight, everyone. See the screen, mobile screen, and try to read the words. R-I-G-H-T. What is that? R-I-G-H-T. What is that word? How do you say this word? R-I-G-H-T. What is that? Can anyone unmute and say? Can anyone unmute and say? R-I-G-H-T. No one is answering to me. Can anyone unmute and say, right? R-I-G-H-T is right. Very good. And see the next word which is written down. W-R-I-T-E. What is that?
Light.
W-R-I-T-E. What is that?
Light.
Right, see? What is the same thing about these words? Can anyone unmute and say? What is the same thing about these words? What do you find the same thing about these words? Yes, very good. Yes, we are having the same sound, isn't it? R-I-G-H-T is also right. W-R-I-T-E is also right, isn't it? So these words are called? These words are called what? What topic we are learning today?
Homophone.
Yes, very good. Homophones. Yes, very good. Superb. Yes. So what is this meaning? Now we'll see the meaning of the words, right? Both the words sounds the same. Now we'll see the meaning of this word, okay? R-I-G-H-T. What does it mean? So someone asking you directions, okay? So where is the shop? You have to go right. We used to say, isn't it? Show your right finger. Show your right hand, everyone. Right hand. Show your right hand, everyone. So you will show your right hand instead. So it shows the directions. It show right RIGHT. At that time, you will write this word RIGHT. Go to right. It means you have to write RIGHT. And when we will use WRITE, when we use this, children, WRITE, can anyone unmute and say? When we use this word WRITE?
Writing notes.
Very good. While writing, yes, we'll write in the classworks, we'll write on the board, we'll write in the textbooks, isn't it? At that time, we have to use WRITE. Shall I write the RIGHT at that time? Write this RIGHT, right? In your classwork. Shall I use that word? Say yes or no. Can I use that word?
No.
No, yes, that is wrong, isn't it? So you have to check when you have to use the correct word, isn't it? Okay, so this now we move on to the next word. See, what is that? HARE. HARE. What is that? Had. Okay, very good. And see the next word. HAIR. What is that? How you say this word? So what is the same? What is the same thing about this word? Both sounds the same, but when we are using that, we have to be very careful. When we have to use hair is a rabbit, right? Hair is a rabbit. And HAIR, we comb your hair. Mother comb your hair, isn't it? Your mom and dad comb your hair, isn't it? So we have hair on our head, right? So at that time, we have to use HAIR, right? So you have to read the sentence properly. Ma'am will give you some worksheets, okay? At that time, you have to read the sentence and then you have to use the correct words. You have to think, see the spelling, and then you have to write, okay? And see this now. The next word, NO. What is that? No. And see the next word. What is that? KNOW. What is that? KNOW. KNOW. How do you say this word?
No.
No. Yes, the same sound. Same. No. Yes, both sounds the same, isn't it? I want all my children to open your mouth and say the words, okay? No. N is also no. And KNOW also no. But when you have to use this, when you use NO, give me an example. NO, when you use that, say one small example for me. Yes, can everyone unmute and say NO? Or you are sleeping? Or you are sleeping? No. No, at that time, which word you have to use? At that, if ma'am is asking, are you sleeping? You're going to type in the chat box now, isn't it? So, which no you will use? First one or second one? Which word you will use? First word, isn't it? Yes. So, no, ma'am. N-O, M-A-N. Ma'am, M-A-M, you will write, isn't it? So, that time you have to use first one. And who knows this answer? Who knows the answer? What is the first letter in the alphabet? What is the first letter in the alphabet?
I don't know.
Ma'am. You will say, no, I know, ma'am. You will say the answer, isn't it? At that time, which word you have to use? Which word? First word you know. Yes, you know, right? At that time, you have to use the second word. KNOW, right? At that time, you have to use KNOW. I could see many of you are answering very good. Now you came to understand the homophones, isn't it? And we are going to see many words on this. Okay, and see this B-O-R-E-D. What is that word? B-O-R-E-D. What is that word?
Body.
Board. B-O-R-E-D. See the board, right? Board. And see the next word. B-O-A-R-D. What is that? Board. Both sounds the same, isn't it? So when you use the first word, B-O-R-E-D, if the name is not good, it's bored. You used to say, right? Yes? So if you're not having friends at your home, they are not playing, you'll see, Ma, I'm bored, Ma, I'm getting bored. I want to play. Like that you will say, right? At that time, you have to use B-O-R-E-D. Right? B-O-R-E-D. And the next, what is the next word? Board, the blackboard. Right? At that time, you have to use B-O-A-R-D. Board. Yes, very good. And now we are going to do this exercise. Yes, I want all my children to read that word loudly. What are you going to do? You have to read that word loudly and check the spelling and match it. Right? Shall we do it? Yes? Say yes, ma'am. Say yes, ma'am. No one is answering me?
Yes.
Shall we do? Yes? Okay, very good. Yes. So first, what is the first word? See the picture and tell me what the lady is doing. She is buying something. Buy. B-U-Y is buy. So which word I have to match that? Buy. Buy. See? Buy. Buy. Sounds the same. Sounds the same but have different meaning. Buy. 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 Right? Both sounds the same, isn't it? So like this, you have to match. And shall we move to the next word? What is the next word? To which word we will match this word? The second word? Can anyone unmute and say?
Flower.
Yes, flower. Flower. It's not flower. It's not flower. It's flower. Right? Flower. Very good. Super. Flower. Flower. Very good. And next. And next.
Yeah.
Yes, very good. So if you're pointing something, you will say here it is. We'll point at and if you're hearing something, what you are doing? You are hearing, right? Here. Yes, here. Both sounds the same but have different spelling, right? And yes, in the vehicles and all, you will see the brake to stop the vehicle, right? Brake. And see, what is this? Brake. Brake. If you're breaking something, if you're putting down something, it will break, isn't it? Both sounds the same, but spelling and the content where you will use that word.
Example. Meat.
What dear?
Meat.
Eat meat.
Ma'am,
Yes.
one more example. See.
One more example you are telling. Okay, very good, superb. There are so many words out there. Okay, you will find all the words. You ask your mummy with the help of your mummy. Okay, so you ask your help, get your help from your mother and find many words like that. Okay, and see, ma'am is showing you few many words. Red. The past tense for read is what?
Ma'am, one more example, ma'am.
Tell me.
Help.
What dear? I couldn't hear you properly.
Help.
So let me know in the chat box so that ma'am will see. It's not audible to me. You'll better message me. Text me in the chat box. Okay, and see the few and many words. Flew, right? And right, we have already seen chilly. So chilly is for cold weather. It's chilly today, chilly floor. It's very cold. We will say that chilly, right? And see, S-E-E and S-E-A. If you see some object, two eyes, let's see, S-E-E and SEE, salt water. Water will be there, right? Fee. Say that as fee, isn't it? And ant. For insect also we say ant. Your auntie, we used to say, right? Yes, but the spellings are different. And male, a boy, a elder person, male and may. Both sounds the same but have different spelling. So these are the few homophones, right? So find many words like that. Okay, children, will you all do that? Yes? Yes, okay, very good. Okay, now we will see another easy topic. You already know about this, isn't it? Vowels and consonants. Salvishi, yes?
Okay, so we all know what the vowels, yes? From the starting, I have asked, all have answered nicely. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, right? Yes, good. And the consonants are the other rest of 21 alphabets, right? So now we all know about alphabets, right? So we are going to have one exercise, right? Can anyone tell me what is the first one? S H dash dash P. Yes, very good. Sheep. Yes, sheep. SHEEP. So we have added what? Consonant or vowels? We have added vowels to it, right? Yes, we have added vowels to it. So this full sheet we are going to add vowels. S. Yes, very good. SIX. 6. Good. Then B. Next one. BAT. Bat. Good. Very good. Then comes house. Yes. So like this we are going to do. So we are going to send you this worksheet and you have to complete it. Then all are going to do it. We are going to send this worksheet to home and you are going to do this. Yes. 2 examples I gave. Yes. And now we will go for, what are this? We are going to add consonants to it. So this is also a worksheet. Can anyone tell me what is the first one? Yes, Nandana, very good. Tree. Yes, TREE. So we have to see the pictures here and we have to write. And we have to go for consonants. What's the second one?
Table. TABLE. Table.
Yes, Sadhana has to speak. Sadhana, yes. Yes, Sadhana, yes, it's table. TABLE, table. Please mute yourself and give in the chat box. Thank you. Yes, what comes third one? Yes, very good. Shoes. Yes, good. Fourth one? Fourth one is park. P-A-R-K, park. So like this, 4 I have given. Rest 6 you all have to do. Yes, easy, no? So this is our homework for you. We will be sending you this as the worksheet and you have to do it. Yes, very good. You are writing the answers also. Very nice. Gift. Very good. Very good. Yes. Yes, this is a small worksheets we are going to give you and you have to write. You all know about vowels and consonants and you have to use both and you have to write. Yes, very good. Yes, you enjoy the class, right? It's very interesting, no? Homophones.
Yes.
Yes, everybody, yes, enjoyed, no? I said no, it will be an interesting one. Homophones, actually, it's a very interesting topic. Okay, so let's wind up the session now. Yes, thank you very much.